Hi, Peter.
Hello, teacher.
How are you, Peter? Are you sick?
No, I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, you are fine. Well, that's good to know. What did you do today, Peter?
I'm go to
I
Thanh
went.
Hóa. I went to Thanh Hóa.
What did you do there?
I played there.
You played football?
No,
Because I don't know that place, Peter. What did you do there? You played what?
um, I swimming in there.
Oh, okay. So you have a swimming class.
No,
Oh, no, you don't. Okay, Peter. Now, let me share my screen. Make yourself comfortable, and yeah, we will start right away. In here, we will have the continuation. I believe it's the speaking practice. Yes. Now, in here, Peter, all you have to do is to answer my questions. Can you tell me what do you use your devices for?
four.
You
Um,
have do you have
I
a computer? Can you tell me first what devices do you own?
um I use I use Zalo.
Oh, devices, Peter. Devices. Devices, it's different from social media sites, okay? Devices. What devices do you own?
Bạn sở hữu những thiết bị nào?
Um, YouTube. And a lot.
Okay. Now, when we say devices, Peter, it refers to gadgets, right? Gadgets like mobile phones, laptops, iPad. Do you have a phone, Peter? Do
No,
you have a phone? No. Do you have an iPad?
no,
Do you have a laptop?
no,
Do you have a computer?
no.
Oh no, you don't own any devices. Okay, Peter. So what do you use maybe your parents' devices for?
Uh,
Are you using a computer right now?
no. I use phone.
Oh, you're using a phone. Okay. So what do you use it for, Peter?
I don't understand.
Can you tell me, Peter, what do you use your devices for? You
I don't
use it.
under I don't understand.
Oh, you don't understand the question. Okay, for a moment.
Bạn dùng các thiết bị của mình để làm gì?
Mhm.
Um, I use it uh to what YouTube uh to to learn to learn in to learn.
Okay, interesting, Peter. Okay, well, that's a good way of using your devices. Now, how often do you use it? How often do you use your phone or your mom's phone, Peter?
Um Uh,
How often do
three
you use it?
3 of week.
3 times a week?
Yes.
Oh, only when we have a class?
Yes.
Oh, really? Okay. I thought you can use your mom's phone every day. Okay, Peter. Now, can you tell me what social media sites do you use? You mentioned you use Zalo. What else?
I don't understand.
What social media sites do you use, Peter? Aside from Zalo. Aside from Zalo.
Bạn sử dụng những trang mạng xã hội nào?
It's a lot.
Not? Okay, can you mention it all? Zalo, what else? YouTube.
Zalo, YouTube, and a lot.
What else? Can you tell me though what those apps are? Facebook. Do you use Facebook?
No.
Messenger?
Yes.
What about? Oh, yes. Okay, Peter. Now, how often do you use them?
Mm,
The social
uh,
media sites, Peter. Zalo, YouTube, Messenger, maybe TikTok. How often do you use them?
uh, um, twice time a week.
Oh, 5 times a week. Okay. And what do you use them for? Okay, let us start with Zalo. What do you do on Zalo, Peter?
Mm, I can say it in English.
But you basically you use it to message your parents and friends, right?
I didn't understand.
Do you use Zalo to message your friends and family?
Yes.
Có dùng
Oh, yeah. So can you tell me what about a messenger? Messenger.
Uh,
Messenger. What do you use Messenger for?
I don't know.
What do you use Messenger for?
Bạn dùng Messenger để làm gì?
Mm, để um, to to I can say it in English.
Okay, you can say it in English as well. Is it the same as Zalo?
Yes.
Okay, to message your family as well. Okay, thank you so much, Peter. Now, since we're done with this topic, let us proceed to another one, which is lesson 27. And now, okay, how was your first date? Okay, now let us start, Peter. Can you tell me what is a restaurant?
Um, we can eat something in a restaurant.
Okay, yes, indeed. It's a place, Peter, wherein you pay to sit and eat your meals, the meals that you have Ordered. Okay, great job. Now what about park? Park.
Um, we can ride by and do something and do something in park.
Okay, yes, indeed, we can do something in the park because it's a place where people go, especially when they want to relax. So they can play there, they can exercise, or they can just hang out with their friends. Okay, that is what a park is. Now, what about cafe? Cafe.
Cafe is coffee.
It's a coffee. A coffee is different from cafe, Peter. A coffee is what we drink. However, when we say cafe, it is a small restaurant, Peter. Basically, it's a place where people buy coffee and light meals. Okay? A coffee is what we drink. However, a cafe, it's a place where you can order coffee.
Okay.
Okay, so there's a difference, Peter. Now, what about theme park? Theme park.
I don't know.
Okay, now when we say theme park, Peter, it is a large park with machines to ride or play games on, as well as restaurants and other entertainment. It's where you can see roller coasters and other types of rides. Do you get it now, Peter?
Mm, no.
No, still you don't, wait. Theme park.
Công viên giải trí.
Okay.
Okay, that is what a theme park is. It's a large outdoor area with rides, Peter, like a roller coaster, shows wherein you can see clowns and other entertainment based on a specific idea or story, specifically from Disneyland. Okay, now what about a bar? What is a bar?
I don't know.
Bar.
Thanh.
Uh,
What is it, Peter?
okay.
Can you express your idea in English, Peter, as to what a bar is?
Um,
Bar.
uh,
I believe you have bars in Vietnam.
yes.
Can you tell me what is a bar? Can you define it in English, Peter?
We can drink beers in
Okay. And eat.
no. We can drink beers in it.
Okay, yes, and sometimes eat too, Peter. So, yes, it is a place where alcoholic drinks and sometimes food are served. Okay, so it includes seating and, of course, sometimes music or dancing. That is what happened in a bar, Peter. What about nightclub? Nightclub.
I don't know.
Nightclub.
I don't know.
Câu lạc bộ đêm.
Mhm.
Okay.
What is it?
I can say it in English.
Okay, so it is a little similar to bar, Peter. It is a place that open late at night for dancing, drinking, and listening to music, often with a DJ or a live band. Okay, so that is club wherein you can party. Okay, what about stadium?
We can watch a football match.
Okay, yes, that is right, Peter, because this is a very large structure with the rows of seats around an open field. Yes, it is often used for sports events, not only that, but as well as concerts and other large gatherings. That is the purpose of a stadium, Peter. Now, what about theater?
I don't know.
Okay, wait, let me translate it. Theater.
Nhà hát.
Okay.
What is it, Peter?
We can sing a song in a theater.
Yes, exactly. That is right. We can do that. So when we say theater, it is still a place or a building where plays, movies, and other performance are shown to the audience. Okay, just like what's happening right here. Here are the audience, and on the stage, we can see the actors acting a certain play. Okay, that is what a theater is. Now, let us practice, Peter. And in here, you have to tell me what you see in each. Sure. Okay, can you tell me what's this?
It's restaurant.
Yes, it is. What about this one?
It's a stadium.
Stadium. Very good. What's this?
Cafe.
Yes, cafe. Next one.
A bar.
Yes, very good, Peter. What about this?
A park.
Okay, yes, it's a park. Next one.
Um, is I don't know.
Okay, let's go back to that one later. What's this?
Um, is a theater.
Yes, very good. What's this?
I don't know.
It's a night
Nightclub.
what? Yes,
Nightclub.
nightclub, Peter. What about this one? It's
I don't know.
theme,
Uh,
theme,
uh,
theme park, Peter. Theme park. Theme park.
uh,
Okay.
okay.
Is theme park. And the other one it's nightclub. Okay, now let us have exercise 2, vocabulary. Can you define the word uncomfortable for me?
Is not comfortable.
Okay, yes, exactly. Which means you feel uneasy in a certain situation. You feel awkward. Okay, that's uncomfortable. What about relaxed? Relaxed.
Um, uh, it's like comfortable.
You feel comfortable. You feel calm, okay, and free from any stress, worries, or tension. Okay, you are relaxed, you are calm, Peter. Are you relaxed now, Peter, or uncomfortable?
Not.
How are you feeling now, Peter? Are you feeling relaxed or uncomfortable?
Uh, no. Um,
Choose one, Peter. Choose one. How are you feeling?
um,
Are you feeling uncomfortable right now or you're feeling relaxed?
uh, I'm feeling
You're feeling?
um relaxed.
Oh, you're feeling relaxed. I thought you would say you're feeling uncomfortable, Peter. Okay, good thing. Now, next one we have comfortable. What is it?
Um, it's like relaxed.
Okay, it's like relax, which means you are at ease, Peter. You are not in pain or stress. Okay, very good. Now, what about excited?
Um, it's good.
Good. Okay. Can you tell me what makes you feel excited, Peter?
I don't understand.
What excites you most?
Điều gì khiến bạn hào hứng nhất?
Um, uh, go travel.
Traveling. I see. Indeed, that's very exciting, Peter. Are you going to travel with your family maybe next month?
Mm, yes.
Yes. Where will you go, Peter? Where will you go?
I don't understand.
Where will you travel?
Um, travel to Thanh Hóa.
Oh, okay. So have fun there, Peter. Next one now we have the word nervous.
Mm,
What
I
is
don't know.
it?
I
Oh,
don't know.
okay. Wait, let me translate it for you. Nervous.
Lo lắng.
Okay.
What is it, Peter? Can you try to express yourself in English?
I can say it in English.
Okay, I see. Now, when we say nervous, Peter, it means you feel worried. Okay, you are afraid about something. Okay, like for example, she bites her nails when she gets nervous. You feel nervous, Peter. You feel uncomfortable. No, you feel uncomfortable. Okay, that is feeling nervous, you feel uneasy, you feel worried about what might happen, okay? Because something is going to happen and possibly it's something negative, something bad is about to happen, okay? That is nervous. You feel afraid, you feel worried. Now, what about shy?
Shy is um uh I can say it in English.
Okay. Now, when we say shy, Peter, it means you feel nervous and you are not confident around other people. Okay, so yes, we can connect this as well to being uncomfortable in a certain situation. Okay, you feel uncomfortable in social situations. Probably
Okay.
because you don't know the people who are in that place, or you're just really shy, okay, not very outgoing. There are really people like that, Peter. Now, what about awkward?
I don't know.
Okay, now when we wait, let me translate it first. Awkward.
Vụng về.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
now when we say awkward, Peter, it means you feel embarrassed. Okay, you feel embarrassed or you're lacking ease. That is awkward. You feel uncomfortable. So yeah, we can relate it as well to being comfortable. All of it, Peter, nervous, shy, and awkward. It is related to feeling uncomfortable in a certain situation. Okay, now, Peter, I believe that would be all it for our class today, but tomorrow we will have a review of these words again. And I hope you'll be able to remember and define these words tomorrow. Okay, thank you so much, Peter, and have a lovely time with your parents. Goodbye,
Goodbye,
Peter.
teacher.